What's going on, y'all? Hope y'all having a great day today. So, let's see if we can do some more on this, shall we? Now, I have managed to do a couple little odds and end things. Got seat location ideas going on, and yeah. Now, granted, the dash is just sitting in there, but I needed it in there so I can figure out where the column is going to end up, as well as yeah, we gotta make the steering things happen. So what we gotta do is we gotta take that dude right there and figure out how to get it to that dude right there. And we're gonna start by using this piece of 1/4 inch plate. We're gonna cut it down 8 inches and punch a big hole in it. And we're gonna take the column over here and we're gonna remove that piece and we're gonna remove that piece right there. Now if you'll notice right here in this end there was a rubber bushing. And you can see right there where it was resting against it. Well, you just take it and slide it up inside the pipe a little bit further. And of course, you know, this is a little bit too long, so we'll have to shorten it down. That'll be a little bit later though. What we're gonna do in the meantime, hello Rankles, hello Big, is we're gonna take this piece right here, we're gonna get us a piece of exhaust tubing, a couple of bearings, and that's gonna go in there just like so. Yeah, nice and flush on that side. And what we'll do is we'll take and punch another hole in this end, and that's going to sit about like that. You got one hole, then we'll punch another hole. But because that hole and that hole is the same size, because I didn't have a different size hole cutter, it don't fit on there the way that I want it to. So because of that, and I'm pretty sure you can see from all the little shavings, I've been having to use that dude right there. And I don't know if you can hear it, the compressor's up, just shut off. But anyways, that's the old compressor head. The whole reason I'm bringing that up is because the compressor head that is on my tank right now is a Harbor Freight special for a tank half the size that it's actually on. And that's the stock compressor head, old Kellogg, that came on it. And she's well past due a valve job. And needless to say, that little compressor head can't keep up with that thing. But anyways, on this, I've still got quite a ways to go on it. But look at all the shavings. That's the way I wanted it to look. Now granted, I still have to square it up and also round it off, but that's going to be pretty nice. Also, got that done. And now we take it and set the bearing in one side. We're going to flip it over. Set a bearing in the other side. And then we're going to put it in this thing and squeeze them together. Yeah, something like that right there. Yeah, there we go. And that little dude will sit right in there somewhere. And when it's all said and done, that's what it's going to look like. Now, granted, I still got to weld everything up. I cut that off, and I got to make the end to where it will fit that dude right there, as well as, you know, run a chain around it, but I got to find a master link. Yeah, something like that right there. Yeah. And the nice thing is, since I have it set up like this, if I wanted to, I can change that sprocket out and the chain for that sprocket and have go-kart steering. But anyway, since we're as far along as we are, it's time for a test fit. And I believe that's going to work out just fine. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to cut out some more of the floor. And the reason why is, well, it don't quite go over far enough, but that ain't no big deal. And also we're going to have to do something about this slide joint. One reason is because it doesn't slide anymore, and the other one is if you'll notice, this U-joint cap does not line up with that one. So anyways, we're going to cut the ends off of this and cut the ends off of this one because this one actually works. So I kind of forgot I was doing the recordy bit. Needless to say though, it's in there and bolted up. And it do the turny bits. Let's see what that looks like from underneath. Yeah, alrighty. Now, if you couldn't tell, I am going to have to shorten that chain another length, but I also need a master link. The only reason it's together now is because that little bright blue link that you seen, yeah, that's just one that I hammered back together. But that'll be it for now, y'all. So in the meantime, y'all be good to each other here, and like always, let's build cool shit together, y'all.